treasures. Hello, treasures. Today I'll be using 1 pint of flour to make chin chin. I'll be making chin chin with 1 pint of flour. I'm going to be selling this chin chin. I sell chin chin in case you don't know. So I'm going to be showing you how I make 1 pint of flour. So today I'm going to be showing you how I use 1 pint of flour for my chin chin. So let's get started. I'm pouring 1 pint of flour here. And into it, I'll be adding 1.5 cups of sugar. I'll be using baking powder, 2 tablespoons. I'll be using nutmeg. Hey, I said it. I'll be using nutmeg. That's 2 sachets. I'll be using make flavor. This is also 1 sachet. To remove this starch, and I will mix all. Oh, sorry, I didn't know my camera was not on when I added the chin dough into the oil, hot oil. I have several videos of chin recipe in case you want to see how to make it from scratch. I'll leave the links in the description box below. So all I did was to add the chin dough into the hot oil and start frying. And I'll continue to fry it like this until it gets golden brown. When it is slightly golden brown, just like this, it is time to take them out from the oil. If you leave it to get very golden or very brown, it will get burnt and become very strong. You would not want that. And I will continue this way until I'm done frying all the chin. And here we have our chin ready, and this chin tasted very delicious. All my chin are always tasting very delicious. In case you need some, like I said earlier on, I sell chin. It is one of my side hustles, so you can always contact me if you want, whether I call Pepe 500 any quantity you want, just contact me. So I will allow it to cool down before we now package it. And here I have my chin ready for sale. Yeah, we've come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.